Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 26th of July 2018. So the pound continues to move higher. Now we've got a bit of resistance here at 132, and I would imagine this is because if we measure a fib retracement from the high here down to here, you can see the market stopping at 132.12, currently just trading around this area. In order to move higher, of course, we need to see it blast through. Then it's got to overcome the 50 bar moving average. It's got some selling that took place there, and once it or if it gets through, then of course you're going to have to contend with this high here as well. So a bit of an upward struggle for the pound at the moment, also with the Brexit in the background as well. It won't take a lot to swing this back the opposite way. So yesterday, very quiet, and again, given the warning out all week, and again, just to reiterate, it's school holes. Markets go quiet for the first 2 weeks of these holidays, and that's what you're seeing there. So the market moving lower, and then eventually turning around and moving back to the upside, and not a great range at all. And this taking place after the market closed as well. From the low to the high is 80 pips, so not a great range. But in the actual main session, even worse there. I mean, we start off what we've got from here down to this low here, 44 points, not enough really to move the market significantly enough to actually take the money off the table, as it were. So yeah, it is quiet this week, but like I say, did give you the heads up on this. Happens every year. And in the Dow, we see prices moving high yesterday. In fact, this happened after the market closed, and I'll show you why in just a moment. But it took out the 25,405, next upside target 25,503. Which we've had marked up again. No buying in this market. This is just purely news driven. Go to the 5-minute chart. You will see there that we had nothing in the main part of the session. It was completely sideways, a range of about 70 points max. We then started to see the market move a bit more, and then after the market closed, prices moved sharply higher. And this was due to this, and that was Trump and Juncker. Trump deal with EU bosses averts trade war. It's absolute nonsense, because there wasn't going to be one anyway. No, Trump had threatened 20% import tariffs and all the rest of it, but that wasn't going to happen. So that's what's boosted the market as far as the Dow is concerned in this late rally that you see here. News today, what have we got? All European until this afternoon, and then core durable goods really is the only one we have there. So again, it's the first 2 weeks of the summer hole, so again, I'm not expecting too much there. Meanwhile, Bitcoin giving back a bit yesterday, which we can see here. We've got some selling in the market, some profit taking. Now the market turning around at the moment, attempting to move higher. So what I'd be inclined to do here, just to click twice on the high of this bar, and that way I can see where the 76% is, because yesterday's high is just slightly higher than the previous day, Tuesday's. So the market's got to get through here in order to get up to the 86104 Bitcoin there. Right, that's it for this one. As then to report, I will let you know. Other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.